Alright, what? Okay, put your hands up if you have an answer because, you know. Okay. What are some things that we, as teenagers of the church, should not be doing? We should not do. Give me. Okay. You hear that? Put, No, Alright, guys, anybody else? What are some things that we shouldn't be doing? Swearing. That it doesn't have to look nice, just swearing quick. Swearing. Alright, Christy. Guys, pay attention if somebody's answering. What was that? Smoking. That goes kind of under drugs. Alcohol. Anybody else? What was that? Taking out your phone during youth group. Abortions. Okay, I think that's good on this list. Now, what are some things that we should be doing as teenagers of the church? Praying. This goes on the way through. Alright. Going to church. Jasmine. Helping your friends. Wait, she's still on there. Going to church, helping friends. Preaching the word of the Lord. Preaching, what was it? Having faith. Okay, I'll take. What's it? Not judging others. Alright, I think that's good. Now, this is kind of like a trick question. Because, remember, what I told you guys a few weeks ago. We must not look at the Bible as a rule book. As things that we cannot do. What would you guys tell me if I asked you, what did Jesus live without? It's weird for me to ask you that. What did he live without? He's God, right? So he must have had everything. But does it make more sense if I ask you, what would you guys tell me if I say, what did Jesus live for? See, right away you guys got that. When I said, what did Jesus live without? It's like, he lived without he lived without this, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't really make sense. So, what mainly we're going to focus on is forget about this. Forget about the things that we have to live without. And remember the things that we have to live for. Remember, Jesus said, you guys told me, what did Jesus live for again? He made a decision to live this way. And we can make decisions in our everyday lives. We can choose life, you can turn around the signs. We can choose to live in hate and death, or we can choose to live with love and with life. And tonight we have a special speaker. His name is Father Michael, who's going to come talk to us about different choices that we can make in our religious life. So let's give him a round of applause.